Hey guys, welcome to day 4 of our mini topic review. And today we're talking about zero product property. All right, so this is a way to solve for x, to find your x-intercepts, your roots. Remember, they have a billion names, zeros, right? So the first thing I would have to do, I've got 2 examples here, is set my standard form equal to 0. Then I would factor it. So we already did this problem, I think on Monday, where the greatest common factor was 3x. And what was left inside of the parentheses would be x, because 3x times x is 3x squared, minus 3. 3x times negative 3 gives you negative 9x. Now, so let me just say factored form. And the first step is set equal to 0. All right. Then I'm going to set each factor equal to 0. That is a zero product property. So one factor is 3x. So 3x equals 0. And the other factor is x minus 3. So the other factor equals 0. Now I'm just going to solve like I normally do. This one divide by 3. X equals 0. That's one of your roots solutions. Remember the billion names. And here I'm just going to add 3 to both sides. So I get x equals 3. So here your quadratic would hit it at 0. And by it, I mean x-axis at 0 and 3. So the last step would be solve for x. Okay. Now, this second example is already in factored form. I've already got my 2 parentheses, my 2 factors. So the first step remains the same. I'm going to set it equal to 0. The second step, I don't have to factor it. It is already in factored form, right? So I've already done that step. The next step here would be zero product property, meaning I can set each of these factors equal to 0 if I have enough room. Equals 0. Okay, then I solve for x. So here I'm going to add 5 to both sides. 2x equals 5. And divide both sides by 2. So here I would get x equals 5 halves, or if you do it in the calculator, 2.5. And on this one, pretty similar steps, but I'm subtracting 7 on both sides. And then again, dividing by 2. Oops, that's a negative 7 in case you can't see. So here, x would equal negative 7 halves. All right, so in both of those cases, we have solved for the solution, the root, the x-intercept, and the zeros. Remember, these are all the same, different words for the same thing. You're just talking about solving for those x values. Okay, so don't forget quizzes, exit ticket, and that project. I will see you tomorrow.